Okay, today we are going to be learning about how to visualize an algebraic expression. So we've talked about the parts of an algebraic expression. Now we're going to learn how to visualize that or show it in picture form. So this little picture here says that I have 3 stick figures. So if I wanted to draw that out, that means I have 3 stick figures. One stick figure plus another stick figure plus another stick figure. Okay, it's just another way of writing it. This is obviously more efficient because I'm just writing out one stick person rather than 3, but it works the same way if this, instead of a stick person, I put in a variable. So I have 3 x's, I could also write that x plus x plus x. Okay? Alright, for this video, we're going to be using a long bar strip like this to represent any type of variable. It might represent x, it might represent y, it might represent z, it might represent w or k or a. And then each of these is going to represent one constant. So if I have a constant of 13, I would have 13 of these little guys. Okay, so let's say I have the expression 3x plus 7. So what I'm first going to do is draw this thing out here. And I have 3x plus 7. I would rewrite it. Now I have 3 x's. So I'm going to draw 3 of these. Each one represents 1 x. Sorry that my boxes aren't super awesomely straight and perfect. And then I have a constant of 7, so I'm going to have 7 of these smaller ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that is how I would represent that expression. So there are 3 x's and 7 constants. Let's try another one here. I have 10y plus 15. And across the top I would rewrite it, 10y plus 15. So I have 10 y's, which means I need to have 10 variable things here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's my 10 y's, and then 15 is my constant. So I'm going to need 15 of these little squares. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And there I have 10y plus 15. I could even put a little 1 inside of each of these if I wanted to, but for the sake of time, well, looks like I have added them in. Okay, what about this one? N plus 3. So here's kind of my little workspace here, and I'm going to write this one across the top, N plus 3. So I have a variable of n, and there's just one of them, because remember, anytime that there's not a coefficient that you can see, it's always just 1. So I have 1n plus 3 units. So that's how I would visualize and draw out n plus 3. Okay, 2z. So I have 2 of those variables, a z and another z, and I actually don't have any constants, so that's all I would need to do, because my constant is 0. Alright, go ahead and try this one, 6y plus 2. So pause the video, draw it out, and then let's compare answers. Okay, let's go ahead and compare here. So if I draw my little workspace, I have 6y plus 2, and I have 6 of the variable y. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then a constant of 2, so 2 of these. Okay, now my last one here, 4z plus 1. So again, pause the video and let's compare. Okay, let's go ahead and compare our answers here. So here's my workspace, and I have 4z plus 1. So I have 1z, 2z, 3z, and 4z, and then 1 constant. Alright, I hope that went well for you. I'm not sure where I've heard this before, but it's good advice for all of us. Make sure you work hard and play nice with others. And if you have any questions, as always, shoot me an email or come talk to me in class, and we'll make sure that we get you caught up. Those of you who are sick, I really hope you feel better really soon. I know it's the pits being sick, so feel better, and hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.